Today's Monday, June 4th, 2018, in Virginia Beach, Virginia. We got Dave here, Hart here with his cowbell display. Dave, show us how it's going to work.
You're going to drop a ball bearing in here and listen to the music.
And that's Dave's cowbell display. Dave, I think you might need a little more cowbell. Good job, Dave. More cowbell. It's not the Saturday Night Live skit, but
He's rapping it with a darn drumstick.
yeah, we need a drumstick. We need more cowbell.
You got it, pal.
Well,
That was it.
we'll do the next one, more cowbell.
Those kids, when I told them, just about every one of the little ones, but there was one girl, she was real smart. When I told her that was,
Put the balls down there again. Grab the balls.
And then there was the kids that wanted you to put all the balls in at once.
Okay, do that.
They wanted all the balls. I said, well, they may not work.
More cowbell, Dave. Go ahead.
I lost a couple.
What an engineering wonder.
I lost some balls. I lost 2 balls.
And that's that. And there's nothing we can do about it.
Where the hell did my balls go?